Welcome to OC Realtors Video Library Series. Today's video will go over how to pay your 2021 dues online. Attention OC Realtors and MLS users. 2021 dues will be due on January 5th of 2021. Because you have told us that dues hit at a tough time of year, OC Realtors offers a 6-month payment plan option. So installment payments are more affordable. To make your payment, first go to www.ocrealtors.org. Move your mouse and click on My Account. Now, input your username and password for OC Realtors' website. If you are unsure of what your username and password is, then click Get Started to get your username and password emailed to you. Move the mouse to where it says Login and click. Please read the notice that will appear. Information about the 6-month payment plan and the due dates to the payment plan will be provided in this notice. Also, there will be other important information that will be useful to know about. Now, move the mouse to the section that indicates the account balance and click where it says Review and Pay Balance. Select Pay Dues under the Unpaid Orders section. The annual invoice has been divided into 6 monthly payments, each with a due date. You can elect to pay the balance in full or choose to pay monthly. It is recommended that you pay your balance in full, as missing a payment would result in suspension of services, including MLS access, and a reconnect fee would also be assessed. To pay the dues amount in full, select 2021 Realtor Membership Renewal Full Payment option. Move the mouse and click where it says Continue. You have 3 voluntary contributions on the payment screen. If you wish to change the amounts, please click Edit next to each one before proceeding with your payment. The Realtor Action Fund, or RAF, raises money to advance the goals of the Realtor Party. It promotes the advocacy of your rights and values as a Realtor. Every dollar of this fund is used to protect the Realtor's interests in government. So please consider paying at least the introductory level of $20 as an investment in your business. If you wish not to make a contribution at this time, then please select I do not wish to make a contribution at this time choice. You can always contribute to the funds at a later date. Once you have decided to contribute an amount or decided to contribute later, then move your mouse and click where it says Update Order. Move the mouse and click Pay Now. Now please fill in the credit card information you'd like to use to make your payment. Scroll down and click Continue to process your payment. If you elect to choose the 6-month payment plan option, then select the 2021 Realtor Membership Renewal First of 6 monthly installments January through June option. Now click Continue. Proceed to pay your monthly payment after you've edited any optional funds by clicking on the Pay Now button. It is important to note that the 6-month payment plan is not an automatic debit for your account. Even if you select Save this card to my profile, this will not set up an auto payment to your account. To set up auto payments, please go back to your main home screen. Move your mouse and click where it says Update Member Profile. Please note, if you're going to do the auto pay option, that you input a valid credit card under the payment information section first. Now select your preferences. Under the auto pay option, choose either payment plan or payment plan with contributions. Once you have selected your auto pay option, then click on Save to activate the automatic debit for your account. As a reminder, if you elect to do automatic payments, the debits will occur on the dates when the payments will be due. These dates can be found in the notice when you first log into your account. Payments would or could start with your first payment if you elected to do the 6-month payment plan option on January 5th. Second payment will be debited February 11th. Third payment will be debited March 11th. Fourth payment on April 11th. Fifth payment on May 11th. And finally, sixth payment on June 11th. So please be sure you have a current valid credit card on file if you choose to take advantage of this option, as missing a payment would result in suspension of services including MLS access, and a reconnect fee would be assessed. Thank you for watching today's quick tip video on how to pay your dues online. For more information or videos, please visit our website at www.ocrealtors.org. Have a great day.